device control system with embedded implementation. This project is done by Moses, Benjamin, and Mushu. We're going to design a microcontroller circuit of a washing machine. This will need to meet a set requirement in order for the project to be successful. These are start function switch, washing machine on and off indicated by red LEDs, washing cycle on off indicated by green LEDs, temperature set using a potentiometer, and the current temperature set using another potentiometer. The temperature within range will be indicated by using yellow LEDs. The temperature indicator using 8 LEDs located on the board. A load warning indication indicated by blinking LEDs. If the load is greater than 5 kgs, a safety action kicks in. We stop the washing cycle.
Alright, moving on to the demonstration of the whole system. So yeah, as explained by my colleague, a switch will be used to turn on the whole system. Yeah, and as you can see, a red LED comes on to show that the whole system has been turned on, and a green LED comes on to indicate that the system cycle has been activated. And after that, the system checks for the weight of the load using a photo sensor over here. So basically, if the weight is above 5 kg, the system cycle gets deactivated, and causing the red LED to start blinking and the green LED to go off to indicate that the system cycle has been deactivated. So let's go ahead and test that. Yeah, as you can see, the red LED start blinking and the green LED has been turned off to indicate that the system cycle has been deactivated. There you go. The weight is back down below 5 kg. And the next thing to do is use the potentiometer over here to set the target temperature, and the LEDs right here, the 8 LEDs right here, will be used to indicate the temperature ranges between 0 and 20, 20 and 30, 30 and 40, 40 and 50, 50 and 60, 60 and 70, 70 and 80, and 80 and 90 degree. So let's go ahead and set the target temperature. Yeah, as you can see, the target temperature has been set to within the range of 60 and 70 degree. And the next thing to do is use this potentiometer over here to set the current temperature. And when we're within 5 degree of the target temperature, the yellow LED right here comes on to indicate that we're actually 5 degree within the target temperature. And after a few seconds, this green LED comes on to indicate that the system cycle the washing process has started. And once the washing process starts, no further changes can be made to the washing machine. And before testing that, let's test the weight again. And as you can see, the washing cycle stops again, and then there you go, and causing the red LED to blink. And then when the weight is back below 5 kg, the system cycle gets reactivated, and the target temperature is still there. So let's set the current temperature. There, as you can see, the yellow LED comes on first to indicate that we're actually 5 degree within the target temperature, and then the green LED comes on after that to indicate that the washing process is started. The washing process lasts for about 2 minutes. So after that 2 minutes, after the 2 minutes, the washing process ends, causing the LEDs right here to start blinking to indicate that the washing process has actually ended. And after a while, the blinking stops, and then the system waits for the switch for the whole system to be turned off, for the weight to be for the load to be removed from the washing machine. So basically, we just wait for the washing process to end. So yeah, we're still waiting for the washing process to end. Should end in a few seconds. And in time from now. there you go. As you can see, the washer processor it's ended, causing the LEDs to start blinking to indicate that the washer processor is ended. So while it stops, to wait for the washing machine to be switched off using the same switch. And yeah, that concludes the